lesson is about the third inversion of the pentatonic scale. Remember, the first is this, the second is this, and the third is this. So your mi, sol, la, do. So all you have to do is to place your number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 5 fingers on those notes, mi, sol, la, do, mi, sol, la, do. While you accompany it with your left hand, the normal chord progression of do, la, fa, sol. Random. So basically, what I want you to notice is that I moved from, I used my T, I touched my T. The T is, like, it doesn't really cause a lot of damage at this point, as long as you're passing through, like, watch me again. T, and it's been making a lot of sense, so feel free to use your T at this point. So if you notice, I always stretch my thumb to touch the re as well. Now, after you've mastered playing the third inversion, you can now, whenever you're playing your mix, you can mix everything up, first, second, third, like this. Can you see? First inversion. Hope you notice I'm in the second inversion now. So if you notice, I stretch my thumb, begin to touch the re. I also use passing notes on my left hand. If you want to add that to it, you can. Like, passing note means I touch this before I go to this, from this to this to this, instead of jumping from do to la. So I missed it. Can you see that? Here and there, but then the whole concept is passing notes. If you can't do that now, don't worry, I'll teach that later in this series. I just wanted to introduce it to you today. The goal of this particular episode is mixing your first inversion with your second inversion and your third inversion. In the next lesson, I'll be adding the fourth inversion, so I'll see you there.